everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited. We're going to be doing a fun series where I'm going to be going shopping at 6 different stores, and I only have a budget of $25. So this is going to be a challenge, okay? Trying to find some really cute outfits for $25 or less. So stay tuned. You're going to come shopping with me, and I'm also going to be trying on the awesome finds. So stay tuned. Now look at, oh my gosh, look at that baby. He's just so cute. So today, really excited, finally going shopping. But this is not going to be your average shopping trip. I'm actually going to be trying to find outfits for $25 or less. Alright, so that's going to be a challenge. We're going to be hitting up a few stores today, so stay tuned to see what I'm able to find. Hopefully I'm able to find something. I haven't been to Fallas Parades in some years, so I want to see, what they got going on. Already looking good. I see some signs that say $2.50, so I'm excited. I'm ready. A dark jean, yes. Hopefully these will fit, but we'll see. And some little distressed jeans here, again with the little cuff at the bottom with the distressed jeans. These are cute. I like these. Hey, so just leaving Fallas, got 8 really cute items for only $21.95. Listen, something about Fallas, okay, they are having a really good sale on already discounted clothes, and I saw some really cool brands in there, including American Apparel. And they also have plus size. They did have some summer shoes that were on sale, like sandals and like little slide-ons, but I wasn't quite interested in those. But they were cute though for the summer. I was like, okay, this is a little look for $1. I mean, you can't beat that for $1. But yeah, they actually had a lot of really nice stuff in there. So definitely check them out. Heading to Ross right now. And I love Ross. I actually used to work at Ross. Shout out to the Ross in Westlake, Daly City, you know what it is. They always have some really cute stuff, and especially in the last, I would say like five years or so, they've really stepped up their game. But yeah, really excited. I always loved Ross, and I know they're gonna have some poppin' brands. I know they're gonna have some cute stuff. So yeah, hopefully I can just stay under $25. That's the goal. Catch some little stuff on a clearance, to be able to stay under the $25. But yeah, it should be good. And my husband, he's not saying anything. He's just looking like this. Oh! This looking good. Looking good with a T. On another note, this wig, shout out to Fridays in Compton. It's a black owned beauty supply off of Wilmington, and it's just amazing. They be having all the wigs, all the synthetic They have human hair wigs too, and they have, of course, they have the bundles, you know, the popping bundles, but they also have, you know, synthetic hair too. So last weekend I went to 3 different beauty supplies, and they all had the same synthetic wig, but Fridays had it for the cheapest, like half the price. Of course I want to shop black, and of course I want to save some coins, so gonna get at Fridays, obviously. I tried, look, oh my gosh, I had to look at these dogs. They're just so cute. They have on little outfits, little Tommy Hilfiger looking outfits. Those are cute. Here we are at Ross. Let's get it. Oh. Really cute colors. Leave a comment below and guess which color I'm going to pick. Ross now, 4 items for under $25. Alright, so just finished an amazing shopping trip at Ross. For $25, I was able to find 4 really cute items. So I got it at Ross. Y'all too young, y'all don't remember that commercial, but shout out to Ross. ASMR right now.
You a nut.
Ha ha ha.